We're entering a new era of design and manufacturing, with exciting opportunities driven by innovation, collaboration, and data. Transformation is necessary, but how do you turn it into value? You are at the sharp end of consumer expectations. Products have to be smarter, technically better than your competitors, quicker to market, and sustainable. But 90% of innovations launched by top consumer packaged goods companies are iterations of existing products, which may not be enough for sustainable competitive advantage. To innovate and transform with purpose, take command of your data. Imagine the possibilities, connecting your product development processes, production line, and customer insight, driving new levels of understanding, speed, and operational agility, getting you closer to the consumer than ever before, to exceed their needs and power the next generation of products and services. The new era of design and manufacturing will belong to the innovators, to the imaginative, to the pioneers. The best time to act was yesterday. The second best time is now. Whatever journey you are on, Autodesk is there with you, a partner to help you design the future and deliver real value from digital transformation.